Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to remove the frequent contact feature that you see when you try to share a file from your media gallery. So first things first, let's open the settings. So we go all the way down to advanced features, okay? Then usually the option to remove sharing to frequent contacts used to be under these screenshots and screen recordings, but for some reason Samsung has removed it with their new update and I can't find it anywhere in the settings. But all hope is not lost. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to do this permanently. So you're going to come to your Samsung Galaxy store, hit the search bar, then type good luck. Okay, that's right here. So as you can see, I have already installed it on my own phone. So but since you'll be doing this for the first time, just go ahead and download it. Once it's done, open it up. So good luck is going to present you with this menu, okay? But the only one you want to download for the purpose of this video, look for the home app. Once you download home app, that's all you need. So the next thing we want to do is just open this up. So what we want to do next is come down here to Share Manager, toggle it on, then go inside. You will be presented with this option. Okay, now what we're here for is to turn this button off. Let's switch it off. As you can see, direct share is disabled, and now that is all we have to do. So what you just want to do, just go back, and then we're going to go back to the media gallery so I can show you. So now that we're in the media gallery, I'm going to select this picture and try to share it again. So as you can see, no more frequent contacts being displayed as options to share your file to. So this permanently solves the problem. Hopefully Samsung doesn't mess with good luck with any future update, and I think this is gonna be like a permanent fix. So if this has helped you guys, please don't forget to share, reshare, like this video. I'll see you in the next one.